Do you want to pull your sled?
I'll pull my sled with my gloves off.
No, you need your gloves on to pull your sled.
I'll be a mommy.
No. I forgot my gloves. My hands are really cold. I wish I had them. Charlie, pull the sled. No. You can't take your gloves off. Charlie. You can't take your gloves off.
I want your camera.
No. Charlie, leave your gloves on. Leave them on.
Give them up.
Charlie, if you take them off, we're going to have to go home. Do you want to pull your sled? You want to get in there? Okay. Want me to help you?
No.
Okay. Ready? Is that fun? Can you sing a song? Go ahead.
I'm not songs.
You know a lot of songs. You know, Jingle Bells.
I sang it already.
Okay, what about Mary Had a Little Lamb?
No, I sang it already.
What about what about ABCs?
We want to go this way right now.
Charlie,
And go that way.
they already shoveled the sidewalk. There's no snow.
I want to eat that.
You can't eat that.
Eat that.
You already ate a lot of snow.
And go out. Go out.
Do you need help?
I want to go out. I got out.
What are you doing?
I ate the snow.
Charlie.
I got somebody knows.
Is it cold? Is that good? Look at me.
I see Charlie in snow. I see Charlie in snow.
Okay.